Just the other day I was braking pretty hard and it says stunk, and now it's grinds here, so, and the brake doesn't take, so something has happened, and I believe it's the, you can see there's no brake pad left there, so either it's been worn away or something, so I need to replace that. And these are bent fully extent, I believe. Yeah, hassle. And it spins bad too. Yeah, I don't have any gear in it. You can hear it whining. Yeah, work. So I think there's a brake pad on that side. This one doesn't have it. This side. Got 2 bolts there. And is that what removes it? Or is there something else? You can see there's no brake pad left there. We got 7mm Allen key here on the back here, and you remove these 2, and then I've already hit it loose with a hammer, and then you just remove it. And we got another one here too. If I can find it there. So, and then you have to push out these ones. I've already made some room here, pulling it with a screwdriver like this, and in between this hopefully, and then push. Just remember how this is sit before I remove it. So just put this here and push these back, the screws, and hopefully you can push it into place. Put this on the other side and this one here. So, and then you can hopefully screw the screws back. It was a pretty easy job once you got this off. So now you can, I can move a bit here also. I haven't greased this up, it's too close to the disc. We got a small damage here. See what they say about that in the MOT. I guess they won't like it. But now we have new brake pads at least. See them here? I will just pump the brakes a bit and see, kind of move the piston a bit forward and back, and then we should be good. And I forgot, I had to remove this one, or at least loosen it, the brake fluid reservoir, to get the pump the piston back. And the problem was it was missing the friction pad here on this side here, so can't have that. And the other side was worn out too, can't even see the marks, and we got a crack there and so on. So, but yeah, let's see what the MOT says. This little thing here, I think, is supposed to touch the brake disc when it's worn out and scratch and so on, so you know it's time to replace them. The turning signal doesn't work, and now I watched YouTube how to do it. You should push it forward, I think. and then pull back here. I think I need both hands. It's a metal spring in front there, you push it in and then you pull it out, like I said, and then I guess you just turn this and swivel. I need both hands again, get to the bulb. And now the bulb seems to be working. I don't know if I can find any fault with it, so I just put it up and down again. Now it seems to be working. Time to go to the MOT. Pretty exciting. Let's see where we have the triangle. There we have it. Let's see if we get the brake light problem. Rear light out of function. See if it fixes itself. Getting closer. The brake doesn't feel that good on the right side. And we're here, Opus Bilprovning Bäckby. Still got that backlight, we'll see what it says about that. And of course we still have the annoying cabin fan air.
Här har du en klämma som du ska.
Klämma?
Jaha. Fyllningsröret för bensin.
Ja. Hur ska den sitta då? Den sitter i... Jaha, där.
Bränslefilter här under dåligt.
Alltså? Ja, den sjunger nu på sista versen snart den här.
Här är rosten som tar.
Oh. The inspector thought that the fuel filter was rusty and should be checked. You can see it's rusty there. And he also had opinion about the exhaust clamp. One of them had rusted off. So you can see here it's not there. So I got the diameter if I want to buy a new one and put there.
blir och rent papper.
Blev det? Ja, vad trevligt. Ja, tackar.
Ja,
det var kul.
toppen.
Ja, tack så du
Jag lägger nog bara räkna in här.
Looky. It's approved. Yeah, nice. Still got this one. He was a good guy. Knew that you can't have everything perfect with these old cars. Yes. Yeah, so the guy said that the fuel filter was really rusty, and that the exhaust sort of tightener has rusted off. So I got that piece here for dimensions. So yeah, it's passed. Unbelievable. I thought there were gonna be something about the bushings and so on. Wish I had a remark sort of last time. But this guy, he knew it wasn't that important. It's a bit of a glap in it. So all is happy, and the car is okay for 14 months now. It can run on the roads if it works. So everything is fine. Hit the subscribe, hit the like, give me some comments, or otherwise I'll stop doing these videos. It's too much work for not getting anything back. Okay, bye bye.
Can't look you in the face.